everybody, I'm back for another Data Fun Friday. It's been a while. How are you all doing? I did a bunch of these in the fall and then just got busy doing other stuff, and I just wanted to circle back and start doing more of these again. So usually on a Data Fun Friday, I go over some interesting stuff about data and we talk about how you can apply that to behavioral health. So today I thought I would just talk a little bit about some of the things I've been learning about Power BI, because I mentioned in a video previously that during this very strange time, I am taking some time to learn, and one of the things I'm learning about is Power BI, because a tool that I designed works on top of Power BI. So let's look at some data. All right. So I wanted to just go over something really simple and basic with you today, but what I think is very powerful. So this data is just a sample set of data that is based on a particular electronic health record, but all it is a list of client services by service type and by date. So if you had, and then it also has the count of clients. So if you had a set of data that had an individual record number for every client visit you had, for every client you had, or that showed what client received that service and had a date and had a type, you could make a chart just like this. And I've shown you here in the sidebar how you would do that. So this is the kind of chart it is. It's a stacked bar chart with a line. I'm using a date hierarchy, which is a really cool thing in Power BI that I'm going to talk a little bit more about. I'm doing a column series by visit type. So these bars are different types of, the lines across the bars are different kinds of client visits. And then I'm just doing a distinct count of the client visits and a distinct count of the clients for the line here. And I just wanted to show you a few features in Power BI that I've been learning about. So one thing that's really cool in Power BI is you can turn on a drill down feature. So if I specifically want to know more, let's say about 2020, and I've turned that on, and I click on the 2020 bar, I can drill down and get, let's go up one. Let's do 2019, because you'll get all 4 quarters of 2019. And it shows you what was going on during those quarters. Let's see, I want to drill down to just the 4th quarter of 2019. Then it'll show me just the months in that quarter. Say I want to go all the way down to December. It'll show me just the days in December. So that's a true drill down. If you wanted to do something differently, these other two drill down, but in a different way. So I wanted to show you how that works. So this double arrow, if you click that arrow, what it's doing here is showing you your data separated out into each of these buckets. So it's across all the years in this example. So it's all 4 years. What was your normal quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4? And going down one more level, how does it normally work across your months? And going down one more level, how does it normally work across your days of the month, which is really cool. It's a pretty fun feature. And then this second arrow here with the branching arrows does the same thing, but it keeps all your data there. So this will show you over the whole data set, how things changed quarter by quarter, and then how things changed. This would be month to month, and then this would be days. Which all of these humps in the line make a lot of sense when you think about that most services are provided on weekdays. So that's some drilling down and drilling through the hierarchy, and that's just built into Power BI. As long as Power BI recognizes that you're using a date, you can build out this date hierarchy. Okay, and then another feature that I wanted to talk to you guys about is that when you have a key up here for all of these different visit types, it's kind of got a handy feature where if you click on an item in that key, it'll highlight that so you can find it really easily. So I just thought that was also a nice feature of Power BI. And of course, you could add filters to this so that you just see that service. You could have a filter that people could select real time to say what service they want to look at and what the trends were in that. But I just wanted to share that because I know a lot of agencies are looking at how to see what's going on in their data right now, given that we've had all these extreme changes so fast. And I think this is a nice way, if all you had was a data set that was your client IDs, your client visit IDs, your date of service, and your visit type, and you had those 4 things, you could plug them into Power BI and get some of this data out right away and really see some trends. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I know a lot of people are trying to figure out how to navigate in this strange time. So let me know if you have any questions about that or if you have other ideas. I'd love to hear them. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll talk to you again soon. Take care.